Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have the illuminated star on the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch wheels, black MB Tex interior with an aluminum trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, tow hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can use it as a smart device by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 23,764 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.